What's the invisible backbone of modern smart factories? While manufacturers race to implement AI and digital twins, many overlook the critical foundation beneath it all. Just like building a house, you need solid plumbing before installing luxury fixtures. Today, I'll reveal why industrial network infrastructure, the factory's plumbing system, might be the most important investment you're not thinking about. Hello, I'm John Browett, General Manager of the CC-Link Partner Association in Europe. Today, I'd like to talk about how to address the growing metaphorical tidal wave of data coming from the shop floor because of digitalization. How can you handle all this data, and how can you effectively get it to all the places where it needs to be? As factories become increasingly digitalized, the ability to efficiently share data has become the critical foundation for technologies like AI, digital twins, and predictive maintenance. Without proper network infrastructure, these advanced technologies simply cannot deliver their promised benefits. What's the solution? Based on my experience, CC-Link IE TSN addresses this challenge by combining gigabit bandwidth and time-sensitive networking. Why does this matter for your manufacturing operations? Think about what's happening in factories today. We've moved well beyond the initial concepts of Industry 4.0 that emerged over a decade ago. Now, production lines are generating enormous volumes of data from countless sensors, controllers, and other devices. This metaphorical tidal wave of data presents both an opportunity and a challenge. The opportunity lies in using this data to optimize operations, reduce downtime, and improve quality. The challenge is how to move this data efficiently between systems. So now let's get back to the plumbing analogy. Imagine your AI system or an analytics platform is a bathtub. The data from your production systems is the water. Now, a bathtub without water isn't particularly useful, is it? So how do you get the water into the bathtub? Similarly, your advanced applications need data to function properly. If you can't get the data in and the resulting insights out, these systems provide little value. You need the proper plumbing to make it all work. This is precisely where CC-Link IE TSN comes in. It provides the reliable, high-capacity plumbing that connects your operational technology with your information technology systems. CC-Link IE TSN stands out by combining two essential capabilities: gigabit bandwidth for handling massive data volumes, and time-sensitive networking to provide the foundation for converged networks via deterministic communication. This means critical data arrives exactly when needed, essential in manufacturing where even millisecond delays matter. It also means that it's no longer necessary to have networks separated by function, with all the resulting cost and complexity. A key challenge in digitalization is bridging the gap between operational technology on the factory floor and information technology systems. These worlds traditionally operated separately, with different priorities. OT demanding real-time performance, while IT focuses on enterprise communications. CC-Link IE TSN's converged architecture satisfies both, allowing a single network to handle everything from motion control to standard IT traffic. This delivers tangible benefits: simpler designs, greater transparency, improved productivity, and seamless OT IT integration. Without proper network infrastructure, the right plumbing, even the most advanced AI systems will underperform. Remember, your manufacturing technologies are only as good as the networks connecting them.